Hey, so just because you're struggling doesn't mean you're failing. What do I mean by that? Well, failing means that you've quit. You've chosen to give up. When you're struggling, say for example in your carpet cleaning business, you're struggling to hire more employees, you're struggling to set up a new service division and get customers for that new service. Say you're struggling to expand into a new area, or you're struggling to meet the sales goals. You want to go from 200,000 to 300,000, 300,000 to half a million to a million this year. As an example, maybe you're struggling. That does not mean that you're failing, because struggle is part of the journey. It just means you haven't learned the right things yet. You haven't implemented the right tactics. You haven't met the right people who already have those tactics, have figured them out already, and can advise you on what to do. You haven't figured it all out. So the journey is the most important part in life, in business, in relationships. It's the journey, not the destination, as they say. So just because you're struggling doesn't mean you're failing.